Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you would be fine and enjoying your lectures of all the subjects as well as making assignments and also enjoying. So today we are starting with another lecture with another topic, Miracle of Radio, which is in your English text. The radio today, like TV, is a magic invention that connects us with distant speakers and performers without any wire. Actually, radio and TV, these are the magical invention, because through both of them we could connect with the people which were living very far from us. Till the end of the 19th century, the world did not have any system of wireless communication. Actually, up to the 19th century, there were no communication system. It was very much difficult for the people, for the communication, whosoever living far from them, and it was very much difficult. In the beginning of the 20th century, at the start of the 20th century, the radio came into existence, and it was a revolutionary invention. As I told you, in the start of the 20th century, the invention radio took place, and that was a magical and splendid invention at the time. Moreover, three scientists, Maxwell, Hertz, Marconi, made possible the use of electrical energy in the wireless and radio. Maxwell thought about wireless and found its principles. Hertz found the waves that work without wireless. Marconi made the instrument that would work with Maxwell ideas and Hertz waves. Maybe you do not understand English, so I would make it very easy language, very easy words, so that you people would understand it. I cannot explain it in Urdu because we cannot learn English in Urdu. I'm sorry. Therefore, I'm describing it to you in very easy language. Three scientists, Maxwell, Hertz, and Marconi, made the possible use of electrical energy. In the wireless and radio. These three scientists, Maxwell, Hertz, and Marconi, thought about wireless, also the principle. Hertz found the waves so that worked with wireless, and Marconi made the instrument. He made instrument so that worked with the Maxwell ideas and Hertz waves. Therefore, telegraph, telephone, and radio become possible. How telegraph, telephone, and radio become possible? With the research of the three scientists, as I told you, Maxwell, Hertz, and other scientists. So other like Oliver Lodge also developed the use of electrical energy. Another scientist, Oliver Lodge, developed how to use the electrical energy. As I told you that Maxwell gave the theory that electric and light waves move at the same speed, and Hertz proved the theory of the Maxwell, and Hertz shows that signal could be sent through electrical waves. Actually, the three scientists, using their ideas, using their theories, and they made possible. Marconi proved that signals or sounds could be sent from one place or one pole to another without using a wire. He also used some instruments like the telegraph key and a telephone receiver to prove this. As I told you that Marconi, for proving the signals or sound that they can move or send from one pole to another, so he made and he used instrument of like telegraph and telephone receiver in order to prove it. So he sent messages across the British channels with the help of wireless. In 1901, he sent messages from England to Newfoundland 3,000 miles away through wireless. Actually, in 1901, he sent messages Newfoundland, that was 3,000 miles away, and he sent messages through wireless. Therefore, he made possible the use of wireless on ships at sea, etc. As you know that ships goes through the seas, went through the seas, and they also need the wireless in order to tell the situation. The situation would be hazards, dangerous. In 1924, he showed that wireless or radio wave could travel in straight lines. Again, actually, he showed that wireless, the waves of wireless or radio can be moved or can be traveled in straight line. So through straight line, he made the use of sound and speech on the wireless or radio possible. Through straight lines, he made possible sound and speech on the wireless or radio. And later, the radio was introduced all over the country. Even almost in every country, the radio was introduced. All countries and the different parts of particular country got connected through the radio or wireless. As I told you before that before 20th century, it was very much difficult for the communication, that a people cannot communicate easily, whosoever lives very much far away from them. Through radio and wireless, it made possible, it make very easy so that they can communicate very easily. And the TV is a later development in the field of wireless communication. Actually, in the field of wireless communication, TV is a later development. The TV and the radio together have made one life colorful, interesting, and quite purposeful. At that time, TV and radio made the life of people very much interesting, purposeful, colorful, and very much interesting, meaningful also. Now, television and radar. Television, it is the latest development of radio waves. In television, pictures are sent from one place to another through radio waves. Actually, whatever we are watching on the television, we are watching through radio waves. The pictures we are watching on the television, it is only because of radio waves. Radar, it is also the latest development of radio waves. The principle of radar is that strong radio waves are reflected from the surface of an aeroplane or ship. Thus, the position of aeroplane and ships come to be known. That's it. Dear student, you must go through it, and I would like to tell you that you must go through the subjects like physics. There you know that the waves, all waves, straight waves, how they work, how they do, and speed, light, you would know that in the physics. You must read it, you must go through the physics subject, then then I must say that you will understand it very easily. And I would like to make an assignment. I did not get assignment so far of the previous lessons that I describe it to you. That is my request, that you people do hard work and make sure that you people are making assignments and read it, pray it, and do hard work. Also do studies that would be fruitful for your future, that would be beneficial for your future. And make sure that do research and make assignments, and also submit it on weekly basis. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you with another lesson.